Welcome to the newest video from East Anglian Railroad. Sit back, relax and enjoy. So the first service of the day is a non-stopper from Whittam to Norwich, consisting of 8213 with 90005 on the route. Now departing on platform 1 is the late running service to Ipswich from someplace, I'll check in a moment, 170-271. I believe it's originated at Dullington. The next service to arrive into Stowmarket is the 0929 Balliol Great Anglia service to Whittam. Leading the train is 19001. Now departing Stowmarket is the 0929 service to Whittam. Leading is class 90001. On the rear is 82103. Now arriving at Stowmarket on platform 2 is the 0935 Balliol Great Anglia service to Dullingham. It is Dullingham, I found out. It's formed of 170-205. The next service to depart from Stowmarket is the 0945 Balliol Great Anglia service from Dullingham to Ipswich, formed of one car, class 153306. The next train is a freight train from Hams Hall to Felixstowe. Train was in fact 66711. The next train to pass Stowmarket is a non-stopper and it's from Whittam to Norwich. I didn't catch the number on the DVT, but it was 90008. The next train to pass through Stowmarket is presumably a freight. The announcement is just going to have to tell everyone to stand back. Yep, indeed it is. A Class 66 litre container train from Felixstowe. Train now arriving in on platform 1 is the stopping service from Norwich to Witham, arriving in at 10:29. At the front leading the train is a very ill sounding Class 90, numbered 90010. Now ready to depart from Stowmarket, and in fact now departing is the train 1029 service to Witham, Norwich. With a very smooth departure. With DVT number 82121 on the rear. The next service to depart from Stowmarket is the 1035 service to Dullingham, formed of a single car, class 153, numbered 153306. So the next train to speed, well I don't know about speed, but pass through Stowmarket is indeed a freight train. It's class 66. Not quite sure of the numbers yet. Definitely a freightliner. Now this one's just crawling through. Crew changing. We might get a bit of thrash when this one departs. He stopped all over them level crossings. Legend. I believe he's now departing. Yeah. To Felixstowe he goes. Off it goes. The next service to depart from Stowmarket is the 10:47 service from Dullingham, and it's formed of a 2-car class 156 417. The next service to arrive into Stowmarket is I believe it's the 10:55 service from Whittam to Norwich. Leading this train is 82. She got the last 3 numbers. Leading the train is 82114. Now departing Stowmarket, it's the 10:55 service from Whittam to Norwich. 82114 on the front, and I believe it's 90003 on the rear. Yep, 90003. Riding the